Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to manage transparency mode for your earbuds XIAOMI Buds 5 Pro. You have to start by open XIAOMI Earbuds application, because without application you cannot manage transparency mode. So press on it, and if you add your earbuds to the application you will see the same menu. And right here we have ambient sound control, but we cannot enable ANC because we need to put these earbuds to the ears. And now tap at the ANC, or maybe you have already it selected, and right here we have three transparency level: regular, enhanced voice, and enhanced ambient sound. So just tap at the best one for you. I recommend it to check all of them and select the best one for you. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave a like on the video. See you later!